In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate the image in PDFgear. Now, there's two ways to do this. The first one is when you directly insert the image, and the second one is when the image is already inside a document. So let me show you both. Now, the first one, I'm going to go to the Edit tab up top. I'm going to click on Add Image, and then I'm going to find it over here. I'm going to click on it and click on Open. And as you can see, I can place it wherever I want. I'm going to place it around over here. There we go. And then you can simply rotate it by simply clicking this button over here on the right, which says rotate. So just basically click on it, and there we go. You can rotate that by 90 degrees just like this. That's the first way. The second way is if the image is actually already inside a document. So let me find one. There we go. Here's an image. You simply have to be on the Select tab here, and you could also go to the Edit tab and click on Edit Object, click on it, and then click on this kind of pen tool, and there we go. It's going to allow you to rotate it again, and that way you can do it for every single image inside your document. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.